Okay, so I'm here with Brady, and we're going to work on get you on the elbow, basic form number 1. That's our first form, and to get your yellow belt, what you do is you do the first half of the form. So we're going to work on that. We're going to break it down. So if I were to call Brady up in class, so Brady was sitting down over here, have a seat. Brady, up!
Sir!
He hustles off and get in a two-way stance. So we ask to bow. Yep. Get two-way. Then I'm going to ask him to name his form. Name your form.
Get you on elbow, basic form number 1, sir!
I'm going to say when you're ready, but when I say when you're ready, doesn't mean you start right away. Okay, it means you think about what you're going to do, you think about the whole form, you think about how much power you're going to have, think about the ki, where the ki goes, then you take it back to your first move, take a breath, get your energy up, and then you begin. First, we're going to break this down. So, the first move is you're going to look to your left. Look! Then you're going to fold for a left low block. Fold! Then you're going to take a step. Step! And that's out to the 45-degree angle. You pivot and block. Pull! Push right over your knee. Hand is on the hip. It's a great front stance. Next, you're going to raise your hand solar plexus level. You step forward and punch. Step punch! And here we're going to get the other side. You're going to look to your right. Now, the right hand is the one that's out. You're going to fold with that hand on top for a low block. Fold! Step to back, step. And you're going to pivot and block. Block! Again, he's in a good front stance. He's got the blocking hand right over his leg, not on his leg. Hand is on his hip. His eyes are forward. Raise your hand, center it. That's solar plexus level. Step forward and punch. Step punch. Look to your left. Look. Fold with your left hand. Fold. That's the one that's out. That goes on top. That's palm face here. The other hand is palm down. Stepping across. Step. Notice he leaves his hips back. This back leg is bent, and he pivots. He's going to switch. The front leg will be bent. Punch. Now the back leg's locked out. Driving down the center. Raise the center. Step 1. Step 2. On the third punch, there is a ki. Step 3, ki! And back it up, two-way stance. Yep. Yep. Two-way. That's awesome job. Brady's going to demonstrate each on elbow, base form number 1 to the first ki. This is for the elbow. Yep. Ki. Come Name your form.
Get you on elbow, basic form number 1, sir!
You ready? When I say put out, he's going to run back to where he started. Let's back. It's the two-way stance. Yeah. Yeah. Two-way.